Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping your base. Clean, dry hair holds adhesive better, so remove oil and sweat first. Once done, peel one hijab sticker but keep the backing until you align it. This prevents stretch and misplacement. Use your nose bridge as a center guide and place the sticker about 1/2 centimeter above the hairline. This ensures coverage without slipping. Press the center gently, then smooth outward to avoid bubbles. This first placement sets the whole style, so take a calm, precise moment. Once the sticker is placed, you move quickly but carefully to secure the fabric. Place the hijab edge over the adhesive and smooth from center to each edge while applying firm pressure for about 10 to 15 seconds so the glue bonds fully. Then, shape the first layer. Tuck 1 to 2 centimeters of fabric under the sticker to create an invisible seam that resists movement. Make sure to check symmetry in a mirror. Small adjustments now prevent readjusting later and keep the look neat and balanced. To finish, reinforce high tension points. Add a second sticker at the temple or use a small pin behind the ear for extra hold. Once secure, trim any exposed backing and smooth edges. Shape folds and adjust volume for the final silhouette. If the sticker peels later, don't panic. Clean the skin with alcohol, let it dry for about 5 minutes, then replace with a fresh sticker. This resolves most adhesion issues. Now step back, check comfort, and you're ready to go.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.